everyone! Today, I'll show you how to cook the perfect Thanksgiving turkey using a foolproof method with a cooking bag. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Give your turkey a good rinse under cold water and pat it dry with some paper towels. Don't forget to remove the giblets bag from the cavity. Next, lightly coat the turkey with oil. This helps the seasonings stick. Sprinkle some poultry seasoning all over. For extra flavor, add salt, pepper, and herbs like rosemary and thyme. You can even tuck some butter or garlic powder under the skin for a tasty twist. Now grab your cooking bag, toss in 2 tablespoons of flour and shake it around to coat the inside. This prevents the bag from bursting. Place the seasoned turkey inside the bag and throw in some roughly chopped onions, carrots, and celery. These will add incredible flavor. Seal the bag with the provided tie, place it in a roasting pan, and poke a few holes in the top to let steam escape. Pop the roasting pan onto the lowest rack in the oven. Cook your turkey based on its weight. A 12-pound turkey usually takes about 3 to 3.5 hours. Use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius in the breast, and 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius in the thigh. Once the turkey's done and that red temperature indicator pops up, remove it from the oven. Let it rest in the bag, covered with foil, for 15 to 25 minutes. This step locks in all those delicious juices. Finally, carefully take the turkey out of the bag, place it on a carving board, and carve it up. Arrange the slices on a serving platter, and you're ready to feast. Happy Thanksgiving! Don't forget to like and follow for more easy recipes. Enjoy your turkey.